Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Mobo and my name is Asus, and today I have very special device. You can see here, this is Asus Zenfone Lite L1, which we can say a budget king also. So without further delay, let's begin with unboxing. So friends, you can see here, this is a box pack of Asus Zenfone Lite L1, which I will say the packaging is very nice. So let's remove the polythene wrap first and have a first look of the box as well. There is a polythene wrap around the box, which I am going to remove. Okay, so the box is like a box of any premium chocolate, you can see here. So yep, now you can see here, we love photo basically, which is kind of slogan, but Asus is floating in every box. And what else inside this box is nothing useful, simply you are getting some paperwork. So what I was expecting that it will have some case for the phone, but that is not there in this. And the packaging, I'll say, is very nice, and device is looking very handy, even holding it in wrapper as well. So you can see polythene wrap is around the phone. And oh, nice to see. It is very premium. I'll say it's looking very premium. Some kind of glossy sprinkles are there at the back side. So I will give you the overview of the device a bit later. First, have a look in the box content. What else we are getting inside? Oh, just a charger. Nothing else. You can see here it's empty now. So let's see what is the rating. It is 5 volt, 1.5 ampere. Okay, I think that will be useful for this kind of device. And the data cable is of nice quality, and this is normal USB cable. Okay, so now let's turn off device. So let's begin with the physical overview. So you can see here, this is the back side of the device. Here is the 13 megapixel camera, followed by LED Asus branding, and at the bottom there's some information of the device. And below that, the bottom side, you can see here, the one is a speaker and second one is a microphone, and in between that, this is a charging grill, which is basically USB 3.0. And at the right side, you can see here, this is SIM ejector tray. On the left side, there is a volume rocker and power button. At the top side, there is only a 3.5mm jack, nothing else. And at the very top of the device, which is display, here you can see here, this is a camera, and this is earpiece and some sensor, and this beside that, this is LED flash. So nice to see, it has LED flash as well. Battery is inbuilt. So let's boot up the device. So you can see here, Asus powered by Android. And if I'll talk about the build quality, it's very nice. It's made up of plastic, but it feels like it is made up of metal, and which I'll say it is made up of polycarbonate material. So the build quality is very nice, I'll say. You will not feel any kind of budget device. It will always give you a feel of premium device, because the build quality is very nice. And now you can see I'm going to boot up the device, and you can see here the first impression of the display is also nice. It has HD plus display. So start as a new. Just a second moment, you have to wait for that. Okay, now almost done. I agree, and I'll directly go on. So it is asking about pattern, pin, password. Unfortunately, it didn't have fingerprint sensor, but it has face unlock. So I'm just going through pattern. I'll set a simple pattern. Confirm. Next. Okay. The setup is very long, I'll say. Normally the device will have not such kind of setup. So you can see the first impression of the device is very nice, I'll say. at 5,000 rupees you cannot expect more than it, because what this company is offering you is, I think, better than more. So you can see here some theme center is also present. No bloatware, only 2 or 3 things what I'm able to see here, that Facebook is already there, which is basically a need of customer. Messenger is there, Instagram is there, and apart from that everything is of Asus only. So you can see here they are also offering mobile manager, which will help you to manage your memory and all. And apart from that you are also getting a theme center, which is very nice, I'll say. So this was all about the physical overview and the first impression of the device. In first impression, I'll say the Asus Zenfone is giving very premium feel at the 5,000 rupees. So you can definitely buy it without thinking a second thought. So thanks for watching the Moto and this unboxing, and please don't forget to hit like button and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching. Arun is signing off. Bye bye.